If you've ever wanted to add a watermark in Microsoft Word but only on specific pages, this video is for you, because by default, watermarks usually apply more broadly than we want, and that can be frustrating when you only need them on a title page, a draft section, or just one important page in a document. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to insert watermarks on specific pages in Microsoft Word step by step, so you can control where the watermark appears without affecting the rest of your file. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that in Microsoft Word, watermarks are tied to sections through the header area. So if you want a watermark on only one page or only a few pages, you need to isolate that part of the document first. To do that, place your cursor right at the very beginning of the page where you want the watermark to start. This part is important because Word needs to know exactly where the new section begins. Once your cursor is in position, go up to the Layout tab. In the Layout tab, click Breaks and then choose Next Page. This creates a section break and starts a new section on the next page. By doing this, you are separating that page from the rest of the document, which gives you more control over headers, footers, and watermarks. Now here's the key step that makes this work properly. Double-click inside the header area of the page where you want the watermark. This opens the header and footer tools at the top of Word. In that ribbon, look for Link to Previous. If it is turned on, click it to deselect it. This breaks the connection between the current section and the previous one, which means the watermark won't automatically copy over from earlier pages. If you only want the watermark on one page, you'll need to repeat the process for the page after it as well. Go to the start of the next page, insert another next page break, and then open that new header area too. Again, turn off Link to Previous. This creates a clean boundary, so the watermark stays only on the page or pages you selected. Now that the section is isolated, you can insert the watermark. Make sure your cursor is inside the header of the page or section you want to watermark. Then go to the Design tab. In some versions of Word, this may appear under Page Layout. Depending on your layout and version, find the watermark option and click it. You'll see a list of built-in watermark designs such as Confidential, Draft, or Urgent. You can choose one of those preset options if it fits your document, but if you want something more specific, select Custom Watermark. From there, you can choose either a text watermark or an image watermark. For text, you can type your own words, adjust the font, set the size, color, and layout. For an image watermark, you can upload a logo or graphic, then customize the scale and washout settings. After inserting the watermark, Word will apply it only to that section, which means it should appear on the specific page or pages you isolated earlier. If it shows up on more pages than you want, go back and check two things. First, that you inserted the section breaks correctly, and second, that Link to Previous is turned off in each relevant header. Those two steps are what control the watermark placement. This method is especially useful if you're working on reports, drafts, proposal documents, school assignments, or branded files where only one page needs special marking. It gives you a much cleaner and more professional result than applying a watermark across the entire document. And if you ever need to remove the watermark from just that page later, just go back into the same section header and delete or change the watermark there. Because the sections are separated, the rest of the document will stay unchanged. So to quickly recap, place your cursor at the beginning of the page, insert a next page break, open the header, turn off Link to Previous, then go to Design, choose Watermark, and apply your custom or preset watermark. That's how you insert watermarks on specific pages in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more document formatting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.